says the prophet. But I will be patient, and I will wait for the very bad days that will come. And then we look at this, we look at patience, and we look at wait for revenge or for answers. Riyawamukela muna wamlimi. And then they will come to the people who are attacking us. Very bad days that will come. They will come to the people who attacks us. So yenage now, with the attack of the other side or other party, and it declare the ways. Kuko konke okwenzakalayo uveza igama la patient and na wait. These two ways ayenza ukuthi ukhonze ungapheleli ngamandla. Patient and wait. And kunamagama uNkulunkulu awabhalako most of the time, wait upon the Lord. What is waiting? Wait nguthi uthenjisiwe akukenzeki, ucelile awukakaniki. So ila kuphuma khona igama elithi wait. And uma ufunda Isaiah ukhuluma ngalamagama la, those who are waiting upon the Lord, they will be glad. Wait angana time frame. The word wait, I will wait. There is no time frame. But wait is for a day. Wait is for a month. Wait is for a year. Wait is wait until you get what you want. So uNkulunkulu wethu ufuna sibe ku wait. And uma siya uNkulunkulu siba ku wait and patient. uNkulunkulu asiyi ngani ngoba sifuna lokho esikhulekela kona. Akafuni siye ngale attitude le uNkulunkulu. To God we are going to God because he's God. Siya kuNkulunkulu sikhonza uNkulunkulu ngoba uNkulunkulu. Asikhonza uNkulunkulu ngenxa yezimpendulo. And asikhonza uNkulunkulu ngenxa yezibusiso. We are serving God because he's God. He's our Father. Whether lokho esifuna ukukhona noma kukho, ile sifundo sila kuloko. Whether sithola lokho noma sikutholi, singakhonzi with a mind ukucala ngithandaza mana ngithola lutho. That is a negative mind. And ingqondo engakwenza ukuthi ungamkhonzi kahle uNkulunkulu ngendlela ayifunayo. uNkulunkulu ufuna simkhonze ngendlela ayifunayo, sikhiphe lokhu angasenzela khona. Sithi baba sikhonza noma iminyaka eminingi singathola umsebenzi, iminyaka eminingi kungenzeka intando yethu, sikhonza noma. Uverse number 17 singena kuyo besilapha ku wait and patient. Ekulindeni you need to be patient. Once you wait you must be patient. Laba impatient makwenza, you know, once you are impatient wenza ama mistake. There are a lot of mistakes kubantu laba impatient. Ugcina uphushe ukuthi izinto azenze ngendlela yakho nangesikhathi sakho bese uyalimala uma kungafiki lapho. But if ever was ukuthi I'm patient and I'm waiting for the Lord, patient. Phela asikho mnandi isikhathi sokuba patient. Angala akuqhamuka izinto eziright. Awumnambithi kahle. There is no good test, but the Bible says be patient and wait upon the Lord. So umafunda verse number 17. Okay. Sifuna ukuqhubana nendaba yethu le, mari sibe sikhuluma ngale same thing. Ngibe ngimuva ngibele emuva ku wait and patient. Sibe siye phambili. Okay. Let's see. I'm searching for something.